guys and gals. How are you today?
Very good, excellent. Good morning, Mr. Kruger.
Yes, we've had a busy day yesterday. The worker came on Saturday and she mowed all the back and cleaned up around the spa. So that was wonderful, and I actually got on the grasshopper and got some mowing done yesterday, which was good. Found out that I've got a little problem with the grasshopper, but it'll be easy to fix.
That is on Saturday.
Yeah.
Our worker done the job very good. That is 5 p.m. in the evening.
We've got a wasp nest to get rid of. I'm not sure how we're going to do it yet.
Sunday morning, I had mowed the lawn with HUGOI mower.
He says he loves using the Hugo. It's self-propelled. I mean, it does an excellent job. I'm absolutely surprised. It's a bad electric start.
Yes.
No, I'm not sure how long the electric start will work for, but it'll be interesting.
Yes, electric start, just put the bottom there and come machine start. And this morning, Monday, have a fantastic day, everyone. That is the job done. I show everyone the job had done.
Well, we can only do the job because we've got the right machines. The right equipment lets us do it. Yeah. I've still got to do poison up the top. I don't know how I'm going to get that done yet. I'm careful in Thailand because if you give people a job and they hurt themselves, you're going to be responsible for them forever. So if I'm going to poison, I kind of need to do it myself.
That is the bike. Our worker left there. They did not get it off. Last time we allowed them fishing in the dam.
It's bait, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is it?
I did not open the thing.
Throw it away, it'll be bad.
That is the dam water is full.
Looking good.
Yes, look excellent.
There's 11 metres of water there. No, nearly 12 metres of water in that shot. Straight down. And about 4,500 edible sized fish. You can catch dinner in probably 5 minutes if you like eating fresh water fish. They're not for me, unfortunately. Bit like eating wet cardboard.
That is the pipe. Water run from the big dam. It's a beautiful flower season booming. And anyway, thank you for watching.
Yeah, thanks guys. We enjoy it when we do the maintenance. We've still got some difficult jobs, but we'll get there. You all take care as you travel through this week. And if you like what we show you and make for you, please subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.